Alright, so today we're going to continue on with the vowel combinations part 3, which is combinations including the letter I or E in Finnish. Now for English speakers it's a little confusing because in Finnish the letter I is E, which obviously in English is it's like E, a different letter. So just remember in Finnish, E means I. Alright, so the first combination is I and A, so I ja A. I A. Ia. I A. Ia. I A. And a word containing this would be, for example, breakfast, which is aamiainen. Aamiainen. Ia. Aamia. Aamiainen. Aamiainen. Now this one's a little tricky because it's like I, so it's a not just a ia, it's a iai. Iai. And right it smack in the middle of the word, and it also has a double A at the end, at the beginning, so it's a a. A-mi-ai-nen. 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 Aamiainen. So another one that has the IA is another double A word, which is Aasia, meaning Asia, the continent. Aasia. Aasia. I-a. Aasia. 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 So aamiainen and Aasia both contain I ja A, ia. And then next we have I ja E, ie, 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 ie. And in a word, this would be, for example, man, which is mies, 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 ie, mies, mies. Or in the word meaning road, which in Finnish is tie, 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 ie, ie. Okay, then we have I and I, so I ja I, which together would be E. E. Not I, but E. E. And in a word, it would appear in a word such as viva, which means line. So viva. V. E. Viva. 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 E. E. Viva. Or active in Finnish is aktiivinen. 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 I. Aktiivinen. Aktiivinen. And then we have I ja O. I-o. Io. I-o. Io. Io. I-o. Io. Which appear in words such as kallio, meaning cliff. Kallio. Io. Kallio. 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 Io. Kallio. Or kioski, which means kiosk. Kio. Io. Kioski. 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 Io. I-o. Io. Kioski. Then we have I ja U. I-u. I-u. Iu. I-u. Iu. I-u. Which appears in words such as hair, which is hius, meaning just one strand of hair. Hius. 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 Ew. Ew. It's kind of like ew. Ew in English, you know, like when you're disgusted. Ew. Hius. It has like a similar-ish sound to it. Hius. Ew. Hius. Or speaker, which is kaiutin. 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 I think hius is a little more ew, and kaiutin is more ew. I don't know. It's not as compact. Hius. I think it's also with the vowels. Hius is just like one syllable like this, whereas it's kaiutin. Gaiutin, 3 syllables. So it kind of breaks up a little bit on its own. Gaiutin, gaiutin. If you can hear like hius, gaiutin. Then we have I ja y, I y, I ja y, I, 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 which come in words such as to survive, which is selviydyä, 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 I, selviydyä, 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 I. All right, and then also it appears in word like midnight, which is 2 words compressed into one, meaning middle night. Keskiyö, keskiyö. So combined, there's still a little bit of a pause because it is a compound word, but it also has the I and the Y smashed together there. Keskiyö, iyö, keskiyö, keskiyö, keskiyö. I think this one especially kind of hurts your cheeks because it's like like your cheeks move a lot with it. Keskiyö, if you're really trying to enunciate really clearly. Keskiyö. And also has the at the end. Yeah, that is a tricky one. I-y-ö, I-y-ö, keskiyö. That one might take some practicing. But we'll come back to that in our Y series where we go over Y and combination in a bit more detail. Keskiyö, I-y-ö, keskiyö. Yeah. So then we have I ja ä, I-ä, 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 which come, I keep saying which come in words, but it's appear in words such as, so I ja ä appear in words such as etsiä, which means to search, to look for. Etsiä, iä, etsiä, 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 etsiä. It's kind of, you know, the online shop Etsy, E-T-S-Y, Etsy. It's kind of the same pronunciation as that, I believe, but then you just add the a at the end. Etsy, a, etsiä, and then you kind of like say it fastly together. Etsiä. And then we also have jump, which is hyppiä, 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 iä, hyppiä, hyppiä. Yep. And then our last combination, I ja ö, I ö, I, I, I. And that appears in words such as kitchen, which is keittiö, 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 I, keittiö. Or monster, which is hirviö, hirviö, I, hirviö, viö, viö, hirviö. All right, and that is all the combinations that include the letter I or E in Finnish. So let's just go over them real fast as a little summary. So we have I ja a, ia, I ja e, ie, I ja I, ja o, io, I ja u, iu, I ja y, iy, I ja ä, iä, I ja ö, iö. Ia, ie, I, io, iu, iy, iä, ja iö. Whew. My voice is getting a little hoarse if you can't hear it yourself. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, check out my new Facebook group where a lot of people are having nice Finnish conversations amongst themselves, which is really nice to see. I'm glad you're enjoying the Facebook group that I created. The link will be in the description box down below. And next up, I'll do the vowel pairs starting with O, so keep a lookout for that. And I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.